you, it's Kyla Lou, and your jaw is looking very snatched today, my friend. Looking good. Okay, this is kind of embarrassing.
I'm kind of embarrassed.
If I am being 100% honest with you guys, which I always try to be, I used this feature for the first time like a couple weeks ago. And it is not a new feature by any means. It's been out at least a year, but I used TikTok collections for the first time.
And it's kind of awesome.
So if you're like me and you're late to the game, here's how I use TikTok collections to save and organize all of my liked videos so I can refer back to them later. If you did not already know, TikTok collections is a private feature, so all of the collections that you make will only appear on your account, and there isn't any way at the moment to make them public. So let's jump into this. To create a TikTok collection, we're gonna, oh my gosh, that was a sick transition. Okay, I'm getting distracted, but dang, that was sick. We're gonna go over onto your personal profile here, and you're going to go over into your liked videos. So that's gonna be like the little bookmark icon with the little eye symbol that's crossed out. So it's this one right here, and you'll be able to see all of your liked videos. You can see I have a lot. I have a lot of videos that I've saved to my favorites. And then we're gonna go over here to collections. So you can see I've already created one collection, but let me show you how to create one from scratch. So if you haven't already created one, you'll just be able to click on create new collection. And I'm just gonna do demo for you guys here. So you can name it. You can see you have 30 characters that you can use to name this collection. And then we're going to click next. So from this point, I can select any video from all of my favorited videos. Let's just select a few of these. Let's save this one and I'm gonna check it. And let's do this one and this one. Okay, so you can see I have 3 videos selected and I'm gonna click add 3 videos. That's how simple it is. You can go ahead, create that collection and then add videos to there. So now that we have our collection created, you guys can see my demo collection there. How do we save then videos to the collection? Okay, so let's go back onto this homepage and let's say I love this video, it's sick. So I'm going to click on the save button, the bookmark tab, and you can see added to favorites and I'm gonna click on manage. So let me do it again. Click on manage and there you can see my collection there. And from this screen, I can actually create a new collection, which is nice, or I can just add it to this demo and it's going to add it to that collection. So if I'm scrolling on the For You page, I see a video I like and I want to save it to that collection, I can just do that directly from that save button. But again, just make sure you do it quickly or it's gonna vanish. Once your collection has been created, you can do a couple things. You can change the name of the collection, you can delete it, you can even move videos to another collection. So let me show you how to do that. So if you want to rename your collection, you're gonna go up to the 3 little dots in the right-hand corner and click on it. And you can see I can click on change collection name or I can delete the collection. So those are 2 options that you have there. Right here, you guys can see the name of the collection right now, which is demo, and how many videos I have within the collection. And then we have manage videos. So if I click on that there, you can see I can move or remove videos from this collection. So if I click on this one here, I can move it and it's gonna pull up my other collection. So just so you know, you need at least one other collection created to be able to move it, obviously. So I can move it there or I can remove it from this collection and you can see remove one video from demo, your videos will be saved in all favorites. So it's not gonna remove it from your favorites, which is awesome. It's just going to remove it from this collection. So I'm just gonna cancel that. So you can do that, but let's say I wanted to add some more videos to this collection. You can see here, I can also click add videos and it's going to bring me back to my favorites and I can add videos there. So let's say that that video that I was just saving on my For You page, I missed the manage button. I can just go back here into the collection. Let's say I saved it to my favorites and then I can add it into the folder or the collection later. So that's really nice, and that's how you manage everything within your collections, and you can do multiple videos at a time, which is awesome. So I can move 3 videos over if I want, I can remove them, Super, super easy. And I know I already said this, but I just want to reiterate to make sure I'm super clear. If you only have one collection created, you will not be able to move videos to another collection. That's pretty common sense, but the button will still show up and say move. You just won't be able to click on it. So just keep that in mind too while you're creating collections and you're like, I want to move it over, but it's not working when I click on it. Just make sure you have at least 2 collections created. So there you guys go. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Again, I know this is not a new feature by any means, but again, I just started using it a couple weeks ago and it's really helpful. I have a lot of favorites saved, so it's going to take me a while to go through and add those to different collections, but start using them now if you haven't already. It's a really nice way to organize all of your favorited videos. And if you guys found any value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe because it helps support my channel so much, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, dudes.
'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die.